What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. Again, it's a Tagalog song from Allmo. The title of the song is called Miracle Nights. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's break it down from the beginning, okay? So, first, so it goes like 1, 2, sorry, I forgot 6, 7, and 1, 2, side, 3, and 4. Alright, one more time, 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, then step 5 and 6, shoulder 7 and 8. One more time, 5. This time a bit faster. And slow for 7 and go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Just go up, stay low. 6, and not too low. 6, 7, 8. Alright, good job. Next, from here, 7. Are you okay with that? 7, 8 from here, 1. So from here, you're gonna face your body to the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You go 5, 6. Then we'll change cross 7, push on 8. One more time. So here 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, let's combine 1 and 2. First and second 8. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, good job. Next for this one, I'm not sure if it's refrain or reach. But anyway, so from here, you're gonna go full 1, 2, 3, and look on 4. Alright, for this one, you can 2, 3, 4, anything. So 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Copy? Next. Go 5. Sorry, I forgot. 6. We'll change again. 7. Cross 8. You're gonna lean to your right. One more time. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look on 5. Change weight on 6. We'll change 7. Cross on 8. Good job. Next, you go 1 from here. Go 1, 2, sorry. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, point on 4. Again, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then cuts 5, 6, cross down 7, 8. Good job. One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cross 7, 8. Nice. Alright, okay? So from here, move back a little bit. 7, 8, you're gonna go 1 and 2. So double 1 and 2. Some of you just so like this. So it's double and single. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Okay, for this one, it's a bit tricky. Just down 3 and lift on 4. One more time. 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2, down 3 and 4. Touch it, 4, then glide 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2. Alright, one more time. 6, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and open in 7, 8, 8, 1. Next. So stay 2. Then you're gonna go and 3, 4. Then look on 5, 6. From here you're gonna go back 7, 8, 1, 2. Always stay 1, 2. One more time. Here, say 7 and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Stay. Then up 3 and chest 4. Let's go on from here. 5, this is easy. 6, 7, 8. You got it? You got it? Not yet. Alright, let's try one more time from here. 7, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. No. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder, shoulder. 7, 8. And smile. Let's try everything from the beginning. Slow, slowly. Alright, ready? On my count and 5, 6, 7 and go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Good. 7, 8. 1 up. 3 and 4, 5, 6. Slowly. 7, 8. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Point to the front. Side. 6, 7. Slowly. 1 and 2. Here we go. And 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3. Chest. Side. Cute. Up. And let's go. Yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography that we made today. We promise to give you another one next week. Or yeah, maybe after Christmas. Alright? So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you soon after Christmas. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holiday.